Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with IOLITE, the stone of intuition. And if you're new to the channel, welcome! My name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a crystal, feeling its energy, and discovering if that's a gemstone that we feel can support us in our lives right now. And if you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of IOLITE, then I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one to get a feel for the supportive benefits of IOLITE before you settle into the meditation. If you have a piece of IOLITE, then this is a good time to go get that and set it near you so that you can hold it during the meditation. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture it in your mind, and if any of the scenarios that I bring up during this meditation really feel comfortable or familiar to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some IOLITE and work with it some more. If you do want to purchase some IOLITE, I do have bracelet and gemstone IOLITE sets, pendants, and tumbled IOLITE in my online crystal healing store, and I'll put a link to the store in the description below. So the only other thing that you need to start this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be either on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside directly on the ground, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes as we go through this meditation. So if you have your stone or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So then close your eyes and start to take some slow, deep breaths. And notice how it feels to breathe right now, the physical experience of breathing. And then bring your attention to your body and see how that feels right now. Are there any sensations that you notice in your body right now as we begin this meditation? And there is a nest of birds by the window of my meditation space, and they will be joining us today during this meditation, the spirit of the bird. And then bringing your attention to your emotions in your mind and just checking in with how they're doing right now. And we're not trying to fix anything or make anything a certain way. We're just checking in with, how am I doing right now? Then bringing your attention to the places on your body that connect with the cushion or chair or floor beneath you. And just taking a good look at the strength of that connection. And being aware that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. that you're in physical contact with the entire planet and all of its energy. You're sitting directly above the center of the earth, no matter where you are. And that the mass and the energy of the entire earth will support you and protect you during this guided meditation today. Then if you have a piece of iolite, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. And this is your receiving hand. And it receives the energy from the gemstone during this meditation. And if you don't have a piece of iolite, then picture an indigo, a purple blue stone in your mind. And if you are holding iolite, then hold this in your hand to really get a feel and a connection, or start a relationship with your piece of iolite, to feel its weight and its shape and its texture. Is it smooth? Are there places that are cracked or rough? So take the next minute to really get to know your piece of iolite. And then notice if anything has changed in how your body feels, or your mind, or your emotions since you picked up the iolite. Imagine a deep blue and purple light emanating from your forehead and expanding out to encompass your entire body. Sit with this image of iolite energy for a minute, as the purple and the blue intersperse and swirl about you. Iolite is the stone of intuition. And as you hold or imagine your iolite stone, then consider the following questions and how they might relate to your life right now. Are you hoping to strengthen your connection to intuition and awaken psychic abilities? Do you want to start dream journaling or any other dream state practice? Are you struggling to come to accept something about your life right now? Or constantly wish that things are different than they are? Are there important decisions you need to make soon about the course of your life? Are you ready to let go of things in life that are blocking your spiritual development? And IOLITE supports all of these scenarios in life. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you. Bring that back to your heart and your mind, and we're going to sit with that for another couple of minutes. And as you hold your iolite or picture it in your mind, notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation while you sit with the stone. Has anything changed about the way that you feel about this situation? And it may take a couple of meditations to notice change, and that's normal. And then bringing your awareness back to your body and your emotions and thoughts, and notice if anything has changed since the beginning of this meditation. And then release the image of the iolite energy and the situation that you were thinking about. And then just coming back to breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today for an iolite guided meditation. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like iolite is a stone that you'd like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the energy of the iolite as soon as you pick it up, as soon as you need it, and it's right there for you. And that is the essence of bringing crystal healing into your daily life to help you with practical life situations right now. It's knowing which situations you want help with, which crystals will help you, and using them when you need them. So if you're new to this channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post the informational videos about the supportive benefits of the gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post the guided meditations designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about a wide array of gemstones and crystals and how they can support you right now, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you.